Hello children. Today we are going to see shapes and patterns. Chapter 5, shapes and patterns. In this, what all we will cover is recognize simple two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes, that is 2D and 3D shapes, basic shapes. 2D shapes are nothing but basic shapes and 3D shapes are nothing but solid shapes. And we will see how many sides, corners and faces all the dimensional 2 and 3 dimensional shapes has. Okay, then distinguish between a curved and a straight line. What is a curved line and what is straight line, and identify and draw simple patterns. Okay, we will see all these topics in this chapter. First, recall plane figures. Plane figures are nothing but basic figures. Okay, recall basic figures. Fill in the blanks. See here, what is this called as? This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. What is this called? This is a rectangle. It has 1, 2 long sides. It has 2 long sides. It has dash short sides. 1, 2. It has 2 short sides. And how many corners it has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. It has 4 corners. It has 4 corners. Okay. A rectangle has 2 long sides, 2 short sides, and 4 corners. 4 corners are nothing but the sharp edges of the lines. Okay. The sharp edges where it meets. The two lines where it meets called as corners. Okay. It is called as corners. Okay, where it meet, two lines where it meet are called as corners. So a rectangle has 2 long sides, 2 short sides, and 4 corners. This is a square. This is a square. It has dash sides. How many sides are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. All the 4 sides are equal. All the 4 sides are equal. If all the 4 sides are equal, it is called a square. It has dash corners. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners where the 2 line meet. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. So this is a square. A square has 4 sides. All the sides are equal in the square and it has 4 corners. What is this? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. It has how many sides? It has 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. It has 3 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, and 3. It has 3 corners. So this is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. What is this? This is a circle. It is round. What is this? It is a circle. It is round. It has no corners. It has no corners. You can say 0 corners also. It has no corners. So in basic shapes we have seen rectangle, square, triangle, circle. Rectangle has 4 sides but 2 long sides and 2 short sides and 4 corners. Square has 4 sides but all the sides are equal and it has 4 corners. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Circle is round in shape and it has no corners. Next, solid shapes. Next, solid shapes. See here, solid shapes. This is a cube. This is called as a cube. This is called as a cube. It looks like a dice. See here, dice you will use for playing snake and ladder, ludo and all. No, this is called as dice. It looks like a cube. It has flat faces. It has flat faces. It has straight edges and it has corners. Okay. It has 3 things. It has flat faces. It has straight edges. And it has corners. 3 things it has. It has flat faces, it has straight edges and 3 corners. Okay. This like this flat, it is called as flat faces, and these lines are called as edges, straight edges, and this corners where it meets, all the lines in each side where it meets, it is called as edges. Okay, it has three things. Cube has flat faces, straight edges, and corners. This is a cuboid. See here, square three-dimension figure is a cube. Okay, like it will be, will be like a square. Okay, cube will be like a square. Three-dimensional figure of square is a cube. Okay, next, cuboid. Cuboid is rectangle's three-dimensional figure. Okay, rectangle's three-dimensional figure is cuboid. It is cuboid. This is called as, this is cuboid. It looks like a brick. See here, you can see a brick. It looks like a brick. It has, same like square, it has flat faces, it has straight edges, and it has corners. Okay, these are called as flat faces, and these lines are called as edges, straight edges, and where it meets in each side are called as corners. These are called as corners. This and all are corners. Corners are called as corners. The straight lines are called as edges. And this face, where if you turn, you can see a flat face. Okay, cuboid, if you turn and see, you can see flat faces. Those are called as flat faces. Okay, both cube and cuboid has flat faces, straight edges, and corners. Next, sphere. This is a sphere. It is a curved face. It has only curved face. It has only curved face. No corners, no edges. It looks like a ball. See here, ball. It is like circle. It 3D shape of circle is a sphere. Okay. Sphere has curved face. Sphere has curved face and no corners. Sphere has one curved face. Sphere has one curved face. Sphere has how many curved face? Only one curved face, and it has no corners. Next, this is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. It looks like a drum. You can see a drum here. We can store water in this. It is used for multi-purpose, storing anything. So even playing drum will be there. You would have seen with many kids. They used to play with drums. These drums are used for storing some things. This cylinder looks like a drum. It has curved face and flat face. It has both curved face and it has curved face and flat face. Both it has. A cylinder has curved face and flat face. See here, up, it is flat. See here, it has curved face. Okay, it is curved face. Okay, it has a curved face. It has two flat faces. Down one flat face, up one flat face. It has down one flat face and up one flat face. Okay, next. This is a cone. This is a cone. It looks like a tent. See here, you can see a tent where they will use, many people will use tent when they go outings and all. They will put tent for a stay and all. While they go for trekking and all, they use this tents. It has, you can see in circus also. You can see in circus also tents. Okay. It looks like a tent. Cone look like a tent. It has a curved face. It also has a flat face. It has one corner. See here, it has one corner. Cone has one corner also. It has flat face. It has curved face and one corner. Okay, one corner it has. Sphere has curved face, one curved face. Sphere has one curved face, no corners. Cylinder has curved face and two flat faces. One curved face and two flat faces. Cone has flat face, one curved face and one corner. Okay. We will see using the solid shapes which will roll or slide. Which will roll or slide. You will find that shapes that have only a curved face and no flat face can roll but not slide. See, When it is round in shape, sphere. When it is round in shapes, can only roll. Only it can roll. It can't slide. Okay. When it is round in shape, only it can roll. It can't slide. When you go for the flat faces, it can only slide. It can't roll. When you go for this shapes, flat shapes, flat faces shapes, it can only slide. It can't roll. If you go for both flat face and curved face like cylinder and cone, it can both slide and roll. It can both slide and roll. When you send through the flat face, it will slide. When you send through the curved face, it will roll. Okay, both it has flat and curved. So both it can do, slide and roll. Both it can do. A curved face can only roll. A flat case can only slide. Both the faces which has like cylinder and cone can do both the things, can slide and can roll. Next, straight line and curved line. Straight line and curved line. See, when you hold a string with your two hands, pull a piece of string tightly between your two hands. If you pull it straight, if you pull it tightly, it will form a straight line. Now, if you see this, if you leave little loose, it will show a curved line. Okay, when you hold it tight, it is a straight line. When you leave it little bit, leave it means if you loosen it, it will show a curved line. Okay, it will show a curved line. Now bring two hands closer. See, when you pull apart, it shows a straight line. When you bring the two hands together, it shows a curved line. Okay. Now you see, with a book you can draw a straight line, or else you can use ruler to draw a straight line. Ruler is nothing but scale. Okay. It is better to use a scale to draw a straight line. Next, patterns. Patterns are nothing but it is made up of shapes. It is made up of shapes. See here, there are three different colors: yellow, white, green. Okay, this shapes is repeated. These shapes are repeated in different colors. This forms a pattern. This forms a pattern. Patterns makes things look very beautiful. See here, you can see a tile here. You can make it in a cloth, or else you can see a floor tiles. See, naturally, it is also seen as a pattern. See here, you can see a pattern here. It looks very beautiful. Okay. You can also make a pattern in numbers. See here, number can also form pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7. What is the difference here? 1, 3. They have skipped one number with each number. See, that is, they have added 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Forms a pattern of numbers. In this pattern, 2 is added to get the next number. See, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So they have made this pattern by adding 2 numbers to the each number. 2 numbers. See, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So this makes a pattern. See, related to all this topic, we will do some example problems. Okay. See here now. Fill in the blanks. A circle has dash curved sides. A circle has one curved sides. Dash straight lines. No straight lines. And there are no corners also. A circle has one curved side, no straight sides, and no corners. Next, a dash has only one curved and no edges or corners. Circle has no edges, no curved face. Circle has only one curved face. And no edges or corners. Okay, circle has only one curved face and no edges or corners. A dash has one curved face, one flat face and one corner. Which has one curved face, one flat face and one corner? Cone. Which has cone. Cone has one curved face, one flat face and one corner. Next, a cube has dash curved face. A cube has curved face? No. A cube has no curved face. A cube has no curved face. Only it has flat face. Okay. Now complete this pattern. See here, they have given a square with triangle facing up. This triangle is facing right. This triangle is facing down. And this is facing left. Inside a square, there are different types of triangle. First triangle inside a square, first triangle is facing up, second triangle facing right, third triangle facing down and fourth triangle facing left. Then again in a square, they have given triangle facing up. After facing up, what is the triangle inside facing? It is facing right side. So you have to draw inside a square a triangle facing which side? After up side, it should face, one second. It should face right side. It should face right side. Like this. So you have completed the pattern. After this should come. So you have completed the pattern. Then you can color it with this yellow color and with this brown color. Next. See this pattern. What is the difference? First number and second 5. Next number is 10. So with what they have added to get 10? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With 5 they have added. We will see whether if we add 10 and 5, 15 will come. 10 plus 5 is also 15. 15 plus 5 is also 20. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. And 25 plus 5 is 30. So to get a pattern, they have added 5 numbers to the each number. Okay. Next, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. See here we have already I have taught you that which has flat face can only slide, which has only curved face can only roll, which has both faces can do both the things, both roll and slide. See here cone has both flat face and curved face. So it can do both the things. So you have to mark both roll and slide. Next, this is a cube. Cube has only flat face. So it can only slide. It can only slide. See here. So cone can both roll and slide. Cube can only slide. Fill in the blanks with the number of straight and curved lines. See here in 5, how many straight lines are there? 1, 2. 2 straight lines are there. And how many curved lines? Only one curved line. So you are writing 1 in a curved lines. Okay, see here this is G. G has how many straight lines? 1, 2, 3. 3 straight lines. 3 straight lines. And it has only one curved line. It has only one curved line. I hope you all understood shapes and patterns. Yes, children, we will see with a different topic in next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.